Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while. What have you guys been up to? Not much. Me either. As per usual. But seriously, I've had some stuff go on. What kind of stuff? I'll tell you guys later. Not now, in this video, but in another one. What you guys are about to see is some stand-up from a long time ago. I was testing some stuff out, seeing what works, what didn't work. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. I know. You guys were expecting a stand-up comment. I think you guys got right to.
Okay.
But by now, I know you guys must be thinking, wow, he's so inspiring. He's so motivated to do everything. Well, thank you. Yes. But if you are thinking that, you couldn't be more wrong. I'm just as lazy as any one of you. I say that because I had a puppy. Keyword, had a puppy. Getting this thing was the worst decision I've ever made in my entire life. I mean, he just went to the bathroom everywhere. Just bam, bam, bam. You take him outside, he wouldn't do anything. But you bring him back inside, and not even 5 minutes later, he's laying a fresh one down on my living room floor, all the while looking at me like, oh gee, I hope he doesn't notice. But it's okay though. It's okay. Because I wasn't the one cleaning up the mess. My girlfriend was. What? That's what she's there for.
Oh. You're in trouble now.
It was great. I was less like a doggy daddy and more like a doggy uncle. You know the kind, feed him a bunch of crap, let him run around. When he makes a mess, hand it back to mom. That was me. You guys want to know the really messed up thing about my girlfriend cleaning up messes? Yeah. Yeah? Are you guys ready? Alright. She was in a wheelchair too. She is in a wheelchair too. Whatever, we still love each other, it's fine. Hey, my name's Trisha and you guys have been awesome. Have a great night. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a lot of fun that night. A lot of laughs. I ended up actually taking a little bit of a break before that tour because I really needed a break. There's some personal issues in my life and I needed to reevaluate some stuff. But when I came back, it was just like I had never left. I actually got better than I was. Wait till you guys see those videos. They'll never be released, so don't worry about it. But if you guys really like that video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.